In today's episode of Homestead How, we're treating things now like we're on our own. We have to grow our own food, which Jen and Katie are working on in the garden. We have to process our own firewood to heat our entire house and our water. And we have to collect our own water. We're trying to do everything we can, off-grid, being self-sufficient. So let's get started.
Okay, plant the tomato. Baxter's making holes.
Alright, so Katie's been helping me. We filled the buckets full of sand and dirt, and we put some soil in it that we bought. Here's our cucumbers. They're very tiny now, but give it a few weeks and they're going to be taller than the bucket. So those are all cucumbers. And now Katie's working on the tomatoes. Alright guys, I'm going to be planting our strawberries with Katie and our vertical planter. A couple years ago we built our greenhouse and we won first place, so we got this and we're finally going to be using it. So I bought 20 of these from our local nursery. You can look back a few videos and I tell you where I got it, and I did curbside pickup and I didn't have to meet anybody. But Katie and I are going to be doing this in our vertical planter. We have 20 strawberry plants. And then also I want to talk to you about these. A company sent us these. These are called Hori knives, and it's very sharp. It's made out of stainless steel. I just started using it. It's amazing. It's got a nice handle on it. It's got the stainless steel has a really sharp blade on one side and then a serrated knife on the other side. And it comes in this really nice leather. What is it called? Carrier? Jacket. It comes in this really nice leather carrier jacket thing. I'm not sure what you call it, but they're really nice. It has numbers on it, so when you dig in your plants, you can tell how many inches you go down, which is really awesome. If you can see that, yeah. But again, it's serrated on one side, and then it's really sharp on the other side. So it is very sharp, and it can cut through things. But you can cut, like when your stuff's dying and you want to cut your vines, you can easily cut it. But they're amazing. The company sent me 2 of them to try out. I will leave the link below. So far, they are working really well. I'm going to continue working with them. I will post more videos of what I do with them, but I just wanted to mention that. So the next thing we're going to do is just work on our vertical garden. Alright, so Katie and I finished the vertical garden. We put 20 of our strawberry plants in there. But the problem is Bambi is our big goat, and he was getting in here. So Carrie and Emma put up a post here to help keep the fence away. So hopefully that will help, because this vertical garden was already filled with sand and soil. So there's no way we could have moved it. So Katie's just watering it really quick.
If you do it from the top, it will soak down. So it just won't.
Okay, so Katie and I did our strawberries over here, and then we also just planted our blueberry bushes down here. I got these from burpee.com a while back, so now it was time for us to plant them. She's just getting them nice and soaked for me now. And then we're going to move on to the potatoes.
So for like 4 hours today, we planted a ton of tomatoes, cucumbers, and pickled cucumber. Well, pickly cucumbers. Yeah.
That was a long day.
Yeah, and my fingers are dirty.
And we're not even half done yet. So tomorrow I think we're going to work on over here. We have the raised garden bed. We're going to put the potatoes in there. And then we have jalapenos, we have peppers, we have broccoli, cauliflower, some salad stuff, and then way over there, on the other side, way down there, we're gonna put corn, watermelon, and cantaloupe. So that's gonna be another day.
So we got this for the IBC toad, and we got this. Katie's got all our watermelon cantaloupe. Jen's gonna plant down in our expanded garden. And it will probably be, what, have a longer hose would be better?
Yes.
Or just maybe too long?
I would grab it just to have longer. It's not a lot of pressure though to water a plant. It'll do. So I cut a piece of board here to 3 inches because it says you're supposed to put the watermelons 3 inches apart. Well, instead of guessing it, I'm 3 feet apart. I'm not gonna guess it, so I cut this board for it. We go back and get some twine that Katie's grabbing, and then we gotta get some stakes so we can put them in the ground and we can make nice straight lines. And then I also cut a 3-foot board out so that we could tell how far apart we should put them. And now she's throwing her shoe at a rooster. She throws her shoe at the rooster. She hates him so much. Hey! Go! Go somewhere else. Go over there. So dig it for me. Good boy. You're going kind of far away. My little rototiller. Good job, buddy. I gotta fill in some of your.
Next time on Homestead How. It's Jen's 40th birthday. We're still on lockdown, but we have to do something for such an important date. So the girls and I decorate our camper, and we take Jen to Olive Garden, and we have a nice candlelit dinner. Well, we do so in the parking lot anyways. We also surprise her with some pretty cool gifts, and it turns out to be a great day. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and check back for that episode coming soon.